Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter Microsoft Store error 0xD000000D on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution would be to run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot, then select Other Troubleshooters. Now scroll down to the absolute bottom and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. The next solution would be to reset Windows Store settings. Right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Apps and Features. Now in this list, we will scroll down to the Microsoft Store application, which is this one. Click on the three dots associated with it and select Advanced Options. Then scroll down to the Reset menu. First try to repair it, after that reset it, and after that you can consider reinstalling it. Also, you can consider clearing the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command ws reset and hit enter. It is as simple as this. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.